everyone. Well, it's good morning here anyway. We are over, well, I'm here with Graham. Alright, Graham, from Naturally Curious UK YouTube channel. We're doing a collaboration. It's my first collaboration, so I'm a collaboration virgin. We'll leave that there, shall we?
Yeah.
We'll leave that there. But we're over, we're in sort of my neck of the woods, and we're over a place called Davey Down, which runs along the edge of the Mardyke River, which is a river that goes from Whalley, which is in Brentwood, and comes out in Purfleet near the Rainham Marshes Bird Reserve, which I did a video of a little while ago. But we're over here just to have a bimble. Got Sammie with us with a camera with a macro lens on, and we're just coming for a bimble just to do a bit of birding, really. Just seen a white throat, but share a bit of knowledge of what it's all about, isn't it, really? So we thought we'd take you along on our little first bimble together. We hope you enjoy it.
Yeah, we heard the marsh frog calling, didn't we?
That's right, we heard a marsh frog in the old pond. We'll see if we can get a picture of that. But what's that now?
Oh. It's a robin.
Is it? It's hovering.
Yeah,
We've just seen a robin. We've just seen a robin hover. Anyway, I'm going to get some photographs and we're going to have a chat. I'll get back to you in a minute. So just for a bit of interest, what we're looking at now is a cast or a pellet from either a corvid or a bird of prey, this one. Yeah, it's got beetle carapaces in it and beetle wing cases.
Just for scale.
And there's for scale. So
my middle finger.
It's not a large one, so I'm gonna take it with me for starters, but I've not touched it yet. It's on this post. Now for it to cough it up on that post, it's got to be quite a small bird. I'm gonna take it with me. Yeah, cool little find. Nice bit of nature detective stuff. Graham's just doing a photo shoot on a cinnabar moth, which is quite nice.
Light coming through.
I won't get too close to this because I think this is brown-tailed moth caterpillars that have done this webbing. I'm going to take it from a distance. Now if you see this, they've got the brown-tailed moth caterpillars got urticating hairs on their bodies, which they shed off into these web-like cocoons, and it's an irritant, like a nettle rash. But a few of my mates have got it, one in particular, Rob Law, and it made him pretty poorly, put him in hospital, because you don't get immune to it, it just builds up in your body. So you get done by it first time, and then the second time it's worse. So, but you can see the strands of, I'll put my phone there so you can see it, the strands going down. It's incredible stuff. As I say, we're not going to get too close to that. We've got enough going on with COVID-19 at the moment, haven't we, mate? Not left. We don't want to get chucked into a
19 crows.
Yeah, 19 crow. Yeah, COVID-19. Sorry, I always called it COVID-19 crow disease. But yeah, well, it's making me itch to stand there. Right, we're off. It's like a little white. It's like a little white moth anyway, with like a little brown tail. But don't go near it. So a nice flurry of excitement. So the crow chasing a hobby. I've got some photographs of it. I don't know how good they're going to be, but I'll put them on here to let you know. Graham spotted it and heard it. the crows, corvids are sentinel birds, so they have a few high up in the trees. And they're very vocal when they see a predator or something they don't like about. So Graham heard it. And had a look up in there, and there it was, a hobby. And I haven't seen a hobby for ages. Absolutely ages. And they like this patch because there's a lot of dragonflies over there. They eat dragonflies, and they eat them on the wing. And they'll catch them in mid-air, which takes a lot. Dragonfly for a hobby. Sorry, something coming. And they'll actually eat them on the wing. Now, they have been seen in big groups catching dragonflies, and you can hear the wings fluttering down. But an old gamekeeper once told me that he's seen hobbies teaching their young how to catch dragonflies by taking them to a patch of ground where there's cabbage white butterflies, big white butterflies, and teaching the young by dive bombing the white butterflies, so the young do it as well, and it's a slower insect for the young to catch. So that's how they build up their hunting prowess on dragonflies. This is quite a nice bit of information for the old gamekeeper.
I never knew that.
There we go. I never knew it until I spoke to a gamekeeper.
Yeah.
There's some of these blokes that have been out in the field on the ground for years and years and years. They see a lot.
Yeah.
But yeah, good spot, mate. Well done.
You're welcome.
Happy days. So we've got another bird over here feeding. It's an egret. Beautiful little bird. White, long neck, like a little white heron. It's got a little feather on the back of its head, like a little plume. Really nice. Graham's getting a bit of video footage of it. I've got a lot of long grass in front of me, so it's quite difficult to get a shot. But I've got some shots and a bit of video, I'll put that up. It's beautiful. Comes circling round, Sammie see it, as usual. And it's hunting here. I'll stick some video up of it and a few pictures, eh? If you can see that, that is actually a wooden cutout of an egret that I just spotted and had an heart attack. And as I had the heart attack, thought I'd spotted an egret in a tree. I pointed to it, Graham see it, and he nearly had a baby as well. And then we both realised that it's not an egret. It's a flipping cardboard cutout, or a wooden cutout. Oh well. Oh, Sammie's waving at me, she's saying something else. So another little stop and a spot. At the top of them trees there. There's a really nice clear sighting of a chiff-chaff. Which you don't usually see on a dead tree sticking out like a sore thumb. This is a really good spot. Still hear it. Put the video up and a few photographs for you. Graham, hand down on the job again. Just seen a rather nice marsh frog just there. We'll just take some photographs of and get a bit of footage. Got a Settys or a Chetty's warbler just behind us in this bush. Every time I turn the camera off and stop recording, it starts singing. Perhaps I'll get it, who knows. I've just seen it fly from this side of the bush to this side of the bush. Little dark flash, which is what you usually see of the Chetties or Settys, because they like it right deep in the dark bits, in the shade inside in the bush. I've seen one once, I think, and that was over Rainham Marshes Bird Reserve.
blues are showing up.
Finally, I got it while I was recording, and that's I say setties.
I say chetties, but it's
Setties,
a glorious sound,
chetties,
isn't it?
setties,
Glorious sound.
chetties. Let's not call the whole thing off. It's just going to cross there, just going to cross the path. Really dark, really deep, booming warbler noise. Does it every now and then, usually
Explosive.
very
Explosive.
explosive.
Yeah.
And it's usually just before it moves. It'll call, sound off, and then go. So what you actually do is end up looking where you've heard it call and don't see it move. 9 times out of 10. But yeah, lovely, good spots there. Right, I hope you like that little walk with us. It's been a pleasure to go for a walk with Graham. Very knowledgeable chap. I'll put the link to his YouTube channel in the comments below. Naturally Curious UK. Lots of really good stuff on there, birds and wildlife, etc, etc. So have a good look at that. Give him a subscribe. That's what it's all about. Every subscriber counts.
Yep.
And hope to see you again sometime soon in nature.
Exactly. It's been
Exactly.
really good.
Yeah.
And as I like to say on my outros, keep enjoying the wonders of nature where you are.
Exactly. I couldn't have put it better myself. Anyway, you look after yourselves. Stay safe and stay sane. Okay. Get yourselves out. Make sure you get a bit of nature therapy because it makes all the difference. Even if it's just looking out your window at the birds in the garden.
Yeah.
Hey.
Amen to that.
Amen to that. Anyway, you all take care. All the best for now. Look after yourselves. See you soon. Bye.